We are Zephyr Motors, and I am Simone Getty, and I will be doing this presentation along with Dallas Lindauer and Tony Tran, and we will be talking about our project, the Zephyr Zero. But before we begin, I'm going to just go over a brief overview of what our presentation is going to be about. We're going to talk about who we are, and I'll introduce everyone else on the team, our team values, and we'll talk about our mission, existing products out there on the market, and then we'll also talk about the Zephyr Zero. We'll give you a full glance of basically what we're trying to do. We'll talk about the progress we've made, what we're doing next, and we'll also talk about the work plan. I'll pull up the Gantt chart. I'll make some closing remarks, and then we'll go into questions. Okay, so who we are. We are a team of 8 undergraduate students with passion for innovation, making this world a greener place, and motorcycles. So that is why we decided to embark on this journey together to build a compressed air motorcycle, the Zephyr Zero. Like I said, I'm Simone Getty. I'll be the project manager for this project, and I will also be doing the suspension.
Tommy Bruder, and Powertrain team.
I'm Graham, Powertrain team.
Dallas Lindauer, controls and testing.
Tom Tran, Powertrain.
Robbie Sampson, I'm working on chassis.
Ben Wallace, working on the powertrain.
And we also have a videographer who's also on our team, Brad McKay. He's a business student who has 3 years of composite manufacturing experience. So when it comes time to doing the composites, he will come into play. Okay, our team values are based on a pact that we've made with each other, which we refer to as the acronym PACT Squared. And that stands for persistence, awareness, creativity, trust, professionalism, accountability, confidence, and transparency. And a lot of people have a question about transparency, so I'll tell you, transparency, when we have meetings, it's completely open book. Everybody knows what the other is doing. We constantly are taking minutes. No one is ever out of the loop. Okay, so our mission for the Zephyr Zero is to build a compressed air motorbike from the ground up because we believe that it is a comparable, if not more efficient, answer to the competing electric motorcycle currently on the market. And we really want to highlight our key vision for this motorcycle, which is clean urban transportation, which means clean from every aspect of engineering all the way to its looks. We want it to be aesthetically clean. And we also want to highlight that there won't be the toxic huge batteries that are on the current electric motorcycles. And we'll also be having a quick recharge time, about 5 minutes per tank instead of hours.
So I'm going into the existing products that are out there right now. One is a patented engine air engine. It's called the Pietro motor. It's a rotary type motor powered by 6 expansion chambers, powered by, of course, air, and that rotary piston powers the drive shaft. Another existing product would be the O2 Pursuit. A team of engineers or industrial majors at RMIT in Australia built this dirt bike made of a retrofitted single cylinder engine powered by air. Next slide. The Zephyr Zero at a glance of what we're trying to achieve is a working prototype of a legal working motorcycle powered by a custom-built engine powered by air, by ourselves, of course. This engine, this motorcycle will be completely low maintenance, virtually almost to no maintenance. Very lightweight, with a combination of steel tube frame and carbon fiber components. Of course, the bike will be powered by compressed air, powered by, or driven by a CVT transmission. The engine will be, of course, receiving air from onboard storage tank of scoop tank. Of course, this tank is specifically made to power what we need and to store as much air as we want it to store. The base also consists of a small battery, of course, to power lights, turn signals, horn, etc., speedometer. Of course, Simone mentioned low refill time in the scoop tank, which is less than 5 minutes. So that's what we want, compared to an electric vehicle, which takes hours and hours on end. The main thing, 0 emissions. You're just going to put out air, put in air, put out air. The quick specifications of the vehicle range about 10-15 miles per hour, or 10 to 15 miles. So say you live like 2 miles away from downtown, you work from downtown, you just hop on the bike, it's going to work. The weight, 175 pounds approximately, very light, very low amount of components on there, which is a good idea, very good for you in case you get an accident. You know, you want to get a lot of components flying in the air. Engine, custom air engine. We're going to customize our own specific engine. We're going to go with the slather and paint idea. Try to retrofit it, not retrofit, but try to come up with a way where it's most efficient for our needs. Chassis, of course, custom steel tube frame, our components, which will make it lightweight and strong. Top speed about 30 miles per hour. That's about the range that's about the speed you'll get going into urban travel downtown city.
So where are we in our development process right now? Since the beginning of the semester, we've just been diving into thermodynamic equations, trying to figure out what the cycle is, or I guess the process going from tank to atmospheric pressure, to figure out how we can best design around those specifications. We've so far gathered a little bit of testing data for things like temperature and intermediate pressure that we want to have. And we're starting calculations to theoretically determine those numbers and start justifying some of our designs. Same though, we're beginning our designs. One of the biggest things we're doing now, though, is seeking out sponsorships. It's going to cost a lot of money to, there's a lot of components, and there's going to be a lot of manufacturing costs associated with this, so we're trying to get some partners in industry. And to do that, Simone here has done a lot of work to kind of tackle the social media circuits online. We have a Facebook page up right now. If you guys want to go on Facebook and like us, that would be great. Share some of our stuff. And we also have a team website where we have a little bit more in-depth information as to who we are, what we're trying to do, and eventually get a lot of stuff in there and how we're going to do it. So the next phase of the process, we're going to get our sponsorship packet finalized so we can really start getting those sponsorships coming in. We're going to finalize our logo, get it on our team shirts, maybe get some team swag going on so we can get our picture out there a little more. We need to start getting more information on chassis and suspension now that we've gotten a lot of thermodynamic theory down. We're also going to begin our testing phase. So we're going to begin testing our expansion chamber outside of the scuba tank. Eventually we're going to move into testing our engine, the cylinder, and figure out exactly what kind of specifications we're going to need for end manufacturing. We're going to begin suspension and chassis design in the next few weeks, and still look for more sponsors.
Okay, so we're just going to give you a brief preview of our Gantt chart here, which we're going to make public because we believe in transparency. So we want our sponsors to be able to track our progress and see what we're doing. So yeah, we're going to make this public on the team website next week, so everybody can kind of pull it up and check it out. I can't, where's the bar for it? Yeah. Okay, very good. So yeah, you can kind of see, we have everything pretty much tracked out until the end of the semester. We have a few key goal deadlines, for next semester. So I think it's set that our project completion will be in late April 23rd, or 2014. So yeah, you guys can check that out. Okay. So back to our presentation. Okay, so in conclusion, what's the big picture? What are we trying to convey to you guys today? Why should you keep following us? Why should you like us on social media? Why should you even care? We can't really fully answer that question for you, but we can say that we believe in what we're doing. We believe in innovation. We believe in making this one greener place. We believe in each other. And there's this Steve Jobs quote out there when he's talking about IBM when they first started out, and they had like hundreds of more dollars, thousands of more dollars in research and development compared to Apple. And I think, just to paraphrase it, it goes something like, innovation has nothing to do with the amount of research and development money you have. It has nothing to do with money. It has to do with the people you have, how you're led, and how much you get it. Like, you get the big picture. And for us, it's all about the people we have. This is who we have. This is Zephyr's Motors. And we all believe in each other, which is why we believe in pursuing each other's success, because we want to see each other be successful. So that is why we're so passionate about making the Zephyr Zero come to life. Do you have any questions?